In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chai token limit reached. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fix first. So fix number one is basically wait for the reset. So most free plans on Chai have a daily usage limit. So if you used up all of your tokens, what we need to do is close the app, wait for the daily reset. So this is usually a 24-hour period, and to try again after that. Now this is the easiest fix. Now fix number two, if you don't want to wait, what we can try is opening up the Chai app. Then basically we want to go to profile and settings on the bottom right hand corner of the page. Now we want to go ahead and upgrade our account. So go ahead and click on get premium, choose a ultra or premium plan. Then from here you're going to see we've got unlimited messages and all that stuff on both. So yeah, premium plans usually give higher token limits, faster responses as well, and even better AI models. Now, another fix we can do is just start a new chat inside of Chai. So if we go back here. So what I've found, sometimes long conversations consume more tokens. So try ending the current chat and starting a brand new conversation. This won't reset your total limit, but it can help it if the chat itself has hit a conversational cap. Now, next fix is to go ahead and update the app. So an outdated version can sometimes glitch out, which we don't want. So go to your Player App Store, search for Chai, click onto Chai, make sure it is up to date. If it says open, that means you got the latest version, but if it says update, go ahead and update the app. Now, if you think it's an error, we can go ahead and just basically uninstall the app. So go ahead and click on uninstall, re-download it, restart your phone, and then log back in. But before you uninstall, make sure your account is saved before uninstalling.